Welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today let's earn XRP and Stellar Lumens while they are still cheap. Get started by signing up to both Only Faucet and Help Coin with your Faucet Pay email. First, log into Only Faucet. Your dashboard should be on your left. This is where you select the coins you want to claim or do Shortlinks. Select Faucet, then choose XRP from the list of coins. Solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. Select Claim Coin. And great, your claim is complete. Great. Now while the 10-second timer runs down, log into Help Coin and select XRP from the coin list. Select the Claim button in the middle of the screen and collect your coins. Now hurry back to Only Faucet and claim again. The timer should have ran down by now. Great. Keep going back and forth between websites claiming until you have enough coins. You can switch to Stellar Lumens on your coin list and start claiming Stellar on both sites or one at a time. The easy one-click claims add up real quick. This is one of the easiest ways to get free XRP and Stellar. Keep claiming and good luck. Once you're done, go to your Faucet Pay account to make sure your coins have been deposited. As you can see, your coins have instantly been paid to your account. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.